Hello? Can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. What kind of coffee would you like?
A cappuccino, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Any sugar or milk?
Yes, a little sugar, no milk.
All right. Anything else?
Yes, one slice of chocolate cake.
Got it. That's $6, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
No problem.
Here's your coffee and cake. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Hello? Do you have something for a headache?
Yes, we do. Do you want pills or syrup?
Pills, please.
Here you go. Take one pill every 6 hours.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $5.
Okay, I'll take it.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Thanks. Bye.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
The milk is in aisle 3 near the back.
Thank you. And where are the eggs?
They are next to the milk.
Great. Do you have any fresh bread?
Yes, it's in aisle 1 on the left.
Thanks a lot. You're very helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello, can I borrow this book, please?
Yes, of course. Do you have a library card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. You can keep the book for 2 weeks.
Great, can I return it to any branch?
Yes, any library is fine.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your reading.
Thanks, have a nice day.
You too.
Hello. Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does. About 15 minutes.
Great. How much is the ticket?
It's $2.
Here you go.
Thank you. You can sit anywhere.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello, how much is a ticket?
It's $10 for adults, $5 for children.
One adult, please.
Here's your ticket. Enjoy the zoo.
Thank you. Where are the lions?
There on the left, near the big tree.
Great, I love lions.
Have fun.